Okay, in our previous episode, we were doing filings on this company here, NVNT Novent Technologies, which today is November 16th, 2019, and on Friday, yesterday, on the 15th, this thing ran 900%. And we were looking at the filings in the previous episode and why they ran, and the reason was this 1012G that they filed 8 years after the last time they filed. But this video is about SC13D. You can look at the previous video. Now this came up on a DDAmanda scan today, but it actually ran yesterday. Anyway, let's get into this SC13D. So let's click on this, and there's lots of cool things you can get from an SC13. And what is an SC13? An SC13 is a filing done by directors or officers of the company, or most of the time by some other entity, company, or person that has 5% or more of the outstanding of this company. Okay, so let's see, this one was filed March 31st, 2011. And you can read some of this other stuff, blah, 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 blah. But here's the cool shit. I mean, yeah. Okay, Ryan Christoph is the guy that filed this thing. And he's in Pennsylvania. And this is how many shares he owns, beneficially owned. 18 million shares. Okay? And sold 18 million. But here's the cool part, the interesting part. Percent of class represented by amount in row 11. 12%. Okay. So 18 million shares represents 12% of all the shares that this company has outstanding. So if you don't know what the outstanding is, or they haven't filed a 10Q, this is a great way to figure out what the outstanding is. Okay, we have 12%, and think of it as a slice of pie, and that represents 18 million. So if 12% is 18 million, what's the outstanding? Well, here's how you figure it out. First, you figure out how many slices of pie there are in 100%. So you take 100, and you divide it by 12, and there are 8.33 slices, 12% slices in 100%. So if you have 8.3 slices of pizza pie, and each one of those slices is 18 million, and there's 8.33 of those slices, all you got to do now is multiply 8.33 times 18. Well, let's just do the millions, and that equals 149.999. So what we got here is we have an outstanding shares, total outstanding shares of 150 million shares. Okay? So that's how you can figure out the outstanding from a Form 13. And then there's some other stuff here, but basically that's all they're good for. A lot of times they will lend money to the company or something, and they'll get a bunch of shares, and most of the time restricted. And then the convertible debt guys, they will also file this. Anyway, that's it on a Form 13, and they're really kind of cool. Alright, that's it.